Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Access tab. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Memory Saver in Google Chrome. You know Google Chrome is a bulky software. It consumes a lot of RAMs of your PC. If you turn on Memory Saver, then it consumes less RAM than before. It's very easy. So now let's open Google Chrome. Then click on three-dot menu that is located on the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Settings. Now, in the left side, click on Performance tab. Scroll down and here you can find a Memory tab. Here you can find a Memory Saver option that is here. When on these settings, Chrome frees up memories from inactive tabs. This gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources and keeps Chrome fast. Your inactive tabs automatically become active again when you go back to them. Now turn on it. See here, there are three options, but I recommend you select to balanced. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this video and also as well as subscribe our channel. Thank you.